I bang on a lot about painting with confidence, and not quite an easy thing to do when you're just starting out. So I think it's a really nice idea to set up some structures that will help you get some confidence. And believe it or not, chalk is one of those things. So I've got this picture here, and to me, there's a couple of things that don't look like right with perspective. So I can come along with the chalk and I can put some highlights in here like that. And if I want to, I can suggest maybe that there's a few holes in the trees here, like that. Like that. Just basically make some changes to the pictures, strengthen some areas up, you know. Suggest that there's highlights on here, for example. And doing that, making these marks, forces you to sort of think about the painting or the processes of the painting, and a little bit about how you'll go about it. The other good thing about it too is if you get coloured chalk, for example, you could use this pink and you could put these highlights along here, and it will help you narrow down the direction in which the colour should go for the highlights. So chalk is a really, really lovely non-committal way of preempting any problems when you're making a painting. Beautiful thing about it too is it just wipes off with a damp cloth, but usually gets lost in the process of painting over it.